Okay, so last time on Hack.5, I showed you how to pipe your independent media into your TV system all around using coax and RF modulator. Well, Darren promised to show you how to remote control all of that using a cell phone, and that's what we're doing right now. So, hey Darren.
Hey.
Now, you've got this hack worked out for us.
Yes.
As turning a internet-ready cell phone.
Or basically any device. If you've got a PSP or pocket PC, laptops,
anything
whatever.
that can connect to your home LAN or to the web.
If you've got a Linux toaster with a web browser on your LAN, that could control your media.
Nice.
So this is basically a way to control your home theater PC, which we've done now with Fire Ant and Democracy and your RF modulator hack. And what I want to talk about is ways to customize my favorite media player, VLC.
Okay.
Of course, I love VLC because it starts with a V, and VPNs and
VLC
and VNC and yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so what are the requirements for this particular?
Well, obviously we're going to need VLC, 0.8x, and we'll also need Apache. You can either use the 1.3.x build or the 2.x build.
Okay.
And then we'll also need PHP. Okay, it's LAMP. Well, except for the Linux, we're doing it on Windows.
PHP and Apache.
Yeah. All right.
It works. They work well together.
Dude, they're great, man.
We see it a lot.
It's the dynamic duo. They get stuff done. It's my favorite hacking tools.
Next, same bat station, same bat time, or whatever.
Yes, something
same bat
like
channel.
that. So what we need to do is, once we've got all of those installed, we need to do some customizations. We need to create a HTML file, a PHP file, and then do some customizations to VLC's web server.
We're going to write a little PHP code, a little HTML code.
Yeah.
What's that going to be?
Well, let's head over here. I've got the, this is our Apache htdocs folder, and I'm going to go into the index file.
All right.
And basically, all this is a starting page, which you'll hit the button on your cell phone. It'll take you to this page, and it's got two links.
Right.
First link will start VLC on your computer.
Okay, and this is this one right here.
That's this one right here. So it's going to open up VLC.php. So let's take a quick look at that. Here's VLC PHP. Really simple. All it is one command. It's the system command, and it will start VLC and then give it a directory. That's where our media is being stored from. Fire Ant, Democracy, iTunes.
And that's going to act as like a playlist, I'm assuming?
Exactly. You hit this, it'll start playing that playlist.
Okay.
The next one is this command right here, which will start VLC's built-in web server. VLC has a web server to allow you to control VLC, but we're going to have to make some customizations to that.
Right.
And of course, the next thing being full screen. So set it to full screen. So back to our HTML. So once we've clicked on the Start VLC link, that'll start playing. Now we need to control it. So that's what this link is here. And the reason for these two links is because it could be done in one link with JavaScript, but I want this to work cross-platform, any device. My phone supports JavaScript,
but mine does not.
Yeah, so this will pretty much run on any cell phone that has an HTML browser.
Okay.
Okay, so this will take us to our IP address with the port 8080. That's VLC's web server. So let's head over here.
And it looks like you're using the Dyn DNS.
I'm using the Dyn DNS address to, rather than give the IP address out on the show, we're going to do the Dyn DNS. Yeah, it makes things easier.
Yeah, and plus it always redirects your ISP's IP for you.
Yeah.
To you.
So if your IP address changes at home on your cable modem DSL, check out
DNS will take
dyndns.com.
Sweet.
So let's head over to the index.html. This is over in the VLC. So this is VLC's web server.
VLC side.
Right. And the nifty thing about this is here in the head we've got all of these VLC tags, and these are custom to VLC, and it will interpret these when it runs.
Okay.
So here's the form that has the stop, the pause, previous, next, all the buttons to do your stuff like plus a minute and minus a minute.
And you've had to actually customize all these to work on it.
Yeah, I've trimmed down the file so that it will look nice on a phone, on a PSP, on an iPad, Pocket PC, whatever.
Just made it real clean, real simple.
Yes. Okay. So, and of course, that code will be in the show notes. So let's, you want to take a look?
Yeah. Why don't we get a demo? Obviously, you've got the hack working, or else we wouldn't be doing the segment.
So here's the cell phone. I got to go, and we're on our start page, and I'll just click on VLC, or Start VLC.
Okay.
It takes just a second.
Yeah, because we're going out to the internet and coming back. Oh, there it goes.
And it's playing our favorite vidcast. So now I'll click on the remote button.
All right, remote.
And here we go. We've got stop, pause, previous, next.
Minus a minute, plus a minute.
So let's go ahead and just, we'll click next. Some pure ownage. Oh, look, there's
Ask a Ninja.
Some Ask a Ninja. That's good stuff.
All right. And what else we got here? Next again.
Oh, there's some Command N. Some Geek Entertainment Television. So basically, the idea is you walk in your house, you know, after a long day at work.
Yeah, like like for me, I have a long day at work, and so if I want to sit down and veg out,
definitely,
on
to some good content rather than the spoon-fed crap we find on cable television.
Yeah, really. Yeah, if I just want to veg out to the boob tube with some quality entertainment, I can fire it up on my cell phone when I hit the driveway, and by the time I walk in and
turn on your TV to channel 2. Channel 2 is now the coolest channel, or 4, 3. Oh yeah, I guess it would be 3 or 4.
It's 3 or 4.
Okay. So you tune in, and then now you've got your spiffy remote, and it's way spiffier than using a. I mean, we could use like that right there.
Yeah, something like this right here, the ATI All-in-Wonder remote, and you know, I have an All-in-Wonder machine.
I've got an All-in-Wonder video card as well.
Yeah,
I love it.
I love getting in remote battles with you, because that's the one flaw I found about these.
And we're not going to get, well, I guess we could get in remote battles over this, because you could get in too.
Yeah.
So I guess maybe the next step to this hack is doing some HT access stuff, but I think I want to talk about that next month with some security through obscurity. So tune in next month for that.
Sweet.
So I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. There's a little exit button. Or actually, I want to talk about at the bottom of this.
Oh yeah, this is our actual playlist right here, shown in like a hypertext.
If I wanted to go straight to the pure ownage in the playlist, I could hit that, and it would skip to any of the files in the playlist. It auto-generates that. So
based on the contents of our media folder.
Yes. So great ways to just get your media with any of those applications, pipe it to your TV, and now control it with this.
Awesome, awesome, fantastic. So as always, all the code will be in the show notes.
And one little change to this segment. Normally when we do PHP and Apache and all that fun stuff, we throw on an Easter egg with either our IP address or our Dyn DNS, and you guys had a lot of fun in episode 1 playing with our lights turning on and off. Yeah. So we're not doing that this time. Not that we don't trust you with our television, but
we don't trust you
with our television.